In this video, I am going to show you how to add product categories collections in Shopify to keep your products organized. In your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Products on the left menu, then click Collections. By default, Shopify provides a homepage collection. If you don't need it, select it, click the three dots next to it, and choose Delete Collection. Click on Create Collection to start creating a new product category. Enter the name of your category. Description. Optionally, add a description to explain what's in this category. Collection type. Choose Manual if you want to manually add products to this category. Image. Add a category image by dragging and dropping the file into the image field. Once done, click Save. Repeat these steps to add additional collections. Go back to Products and select all products you'd like to add to a specific collection. Scroll through your product list, select the checkboxes. With your product selected, click the three dots at the top. Select Add to Collections, then choose Collection and click Save. Return to Collections to confirm that your products are sorted correctly. You should see products listed under each collection.